Good morning. We're out with the girls. Milo's out with his mummy. And it's another beautiful day. A little bit of cloud, but it's fairly high. And it's going to be 23, 24 degrees again. So it'll get hot later on. Now I keep saying 23, 24 is hot. It's probably not where you are, but it is where we are. You're putting your hat and coat on in some parts of the world. We're stripping down to our board shorts, taking our tops off. We're still in the shade. Sky, come on. Don't mind you tiddling as long as you're not eating grass. Good girl, come on. Good girl. We've got roast beef for dinner. So that means treats. Treats, roast beef treats. Very annoying when people brush the dogs and just leave all the hair in the middle of the field. These two then just want to go sniffing it and getting it all over themselves. It's a constant battle between poos and fur. Some people have got no consideration. Why can't they just brush it at home? Put it in the bin. He's going sniffing in the long grass, but it's nice and cool in there because it'll still have some dew on it. Come on! Good girl. Come on, Sky. Sky. She's not going to be pulled. She'll go at her pace and that's it. We're across the water now. Had a bit of a ding dong. Got my arms scratched in the thistles and thorns. Just trying to drag them away from somebody. And then Mummy wonders why we say she can't really take them for a walk, because they'd be taking her for a walk every time they met somebody. She wouldn't be taking her for a walk, they'd be taking her for a run. But she wouldn't be able to hold them back, because when they go, they go. She thinks they're like Milo. Got another thing coming. The dove just flew out the bushes and then never reacted. Didn't even spot it. They're only interested in getting into rabbit land. Not that there's any rabbits about. Hoping there's no joggers coming around the bush. Nope. Otherwise I'll have them snapping at their ankles. Oh, Gordon Bennett, she's got her legs caught again. And she's gone and caught herself up again. I think she's trying to get the straight jacket off, but she can't. That's the whole idea of this one. She can't back out of it and she can't wriggle her way out of it. There's somebody else coming around with a big dog. So we'll go around the long grass again and hopefully they won't follow us. Now she just trapped herself in her leg. Sandy, come here. Come on this way. Come on, Sky. Nice to get back in the shade. Being out with these two is like going around with a broken shopping trolley that's fully laden. One wheel wants to go one way and one wants to go the other. Come on, folks. Come up. Come on, Sky. Good girl. First dip. Cool off. Water's a bit deeper at this crossing point. That fella's starting to irritate Sandy by walking so slow. He wants to start moving, otherwise he's going to get yapped at. Struggling with his shoes, keeps taking them off. Oh, she's in. In for a splash and a cool down. It's a bit deeper there as well. At least where the bank's given way, it's created a slope, so Sky will be able to get up on her own, if she ever gets up. Sandy, stop eating grass. Sandy. And we both got up unaided. Jolly good. That's what we like. A few more people appearing in the field. Our friend has managed to gain a few yards in front while they were down in the water, splish splashing. Swallows. Haven't caught Sky's attention just yet, but if she does, suddenly you'll see her flying around. Sandy just wants to get to the bank. I'm sure Sky will just want to get to the next point where she can get in the river. The weeds are really taking hold around here. We need cutting down, and then we need a flood to get rid of it all. Wash it downstream somewhere. Are we going in again? Yep, we are. We'll follow them in for a bit while they chill out and cool off. Come on. Sky, come on, let's go. There's a dog barking, that's going to encourage them to stay a little bit longer. No, you're not going into the dead grass, come on. You just smell. Come on. We've got people hot on our tails. About 300 yards away, but the speed we're going, they'll be on us in no time. Come on.